Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix advanced data protection is not yet available in your country or region. Apple recently released the iOS 16.2 update after advanced data protections features for the iPhone and iPad users. Now the first one's question is how to enable advanced data protections on my iPhone and iPad. Now the second question is how to fix advanced data protection is not yet available in your country and region. Now the iPhone users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Now the first one's question is how to enable it. Now first to please open the settings app. In the settings app top corner your names. Now please make sure tap on it. Now scroll down and find out the iCloud option. Tap on the iCloud. After you can see also iCloud backup options available. Now please make sure tap on it. In the iCloud backup you can see also advanced data protections options available at the bottom side. This way too you can easily enable advanced data protections on your iPhone and iPad. Now the second question is advanced data protections is not yet available in your country and regions. Now iPhone users question is how to fix. Apple iOS 16.2 release after advanced data protections is not available on my country. Advanced data protections options only for available for the US country. Now US users also enable advanced data protections on your iPhone and iPad. Another country users Apple released the advanced data protections options in 2023 worldwide. So guys, you can note advanced protections enable on your iPhone and iPad. I hope you understand. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problems as soon as. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.